Hello students, it's me again, your piano teacher. Okay, so this is our second session for this COVID-19 piano tutorial series. And yeah, stay safe, always drink your vitamins, especially vitamin C. And yeah, first of all, sorry for the background noise, roost and yeah, the floor noise. I'm in a room where there's no soundproof, okay, and I forgot to bring also my gadgets for recording, so yeah, bear with me. But anyway, let's try to do this session. Are you ready for the lesson? Yeah, ready? Okay, good. So this session, as promised, I will be teaching you a new piece or new song. So if you can see it, the same notes are there, mi, re, do. But if you see, there's a line or underscore. So what is this underscore or line? So I usually put line or underscore when I try to do a like emphasize a 2 counts or 2 beats for a note. So there's a hold, so do, hold, like that. Okay, so do. Alright, so like that, 2 counts or 2 beats. So let's try it. Let's try the right hand first. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Mi, re, do, hold. Got it? Yeah. Alright, good. One more time. Mi, re, do, hold. Okay, the second line is exactly the same. Okay, like the first line. Now the second and the third line is just re, 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 for re. So re, 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 re. Last line is the same again. Mi, re, do, hold. Got it? Good. Alright, so for the left hand, if you remember, we were doing chords or letters on the left hand. So for the C, we usually we use the pinky. So the pinky is there, and for the G, we use the thumb. This is the thumb there. So C, D, E, F, G. Okay. All right. Let's try both hands now. Okay. So again, you can repeat the sections of this video so that you can master first the right hand, and if you're confident now both hands, then you can proceed into this part. Okay, so let's try both hands now. So this is the first line, mi, re, do, and then it repeats the second line. Okay, let's try it. So 1 2 3 go. Mi, re, do, hold. Mi, re, do, hold. Re, 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 mi, re, do, hold. Oh, I already played the full song. Were you able to follow along? Yeah? Again, you can repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat in this section so that you can master it, and yeah, you can make the speed 0.75 so that it will be a little slower. Okay. Alright, let's try it again one more time, the full song, full piece. Okay, ready? 1 2 3 4. Mi, re, do, hold. Mi, re, do, hold. Re, 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 re. Mi, re, do, hold. Get it? Easy, right? I bet you're already master of it. Yeah, you have mastered it already. I know. Okay, so this is the second session. We will be doing again a new song, a new piece next session. So stay tuned for that one. And again, like I mentioned last time, it will be a level up each time. Each class, each session is a little level up from the previous one. So it's like so the previous lessons usually are prerequisites from the prerequisite to the next video. So if you have not seen the first video, then you should do that first. Okay, It's I suggest you do that. You see that first. You watch that first. Okay, so see you in the next video. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, turn on the notification so that you will be notified when will be the next video. Okay, all right, cool. See you next time. Bye bye.